the national officials have come to a decision to redeploy Commander Floyd Shibambu as the Secretary General of the party and redeploying him to the National Assembly. Excuse me. We believe that his redeployment will strengthen the MK party caucus as the official opposition, as Commander Floyd Shibambu carries a wealth of experience.
No, thank you very much, National Spokesperson. I want to take this opportunity to thank the President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, and the leadership of Umkhonto we Sizwe and the membership for having assigned me a very important role to become a national organizer and then Secretary General. I want to confirm that the national officials have taken a decision which I fully accept as a disciplined member of Umkhonto we Sizwe. On behalf of myself and everyone else who is involved, we want to regret that the decision in terms of the visit to Malawi was not consistent with the constitution of Umkhonto we Sizwe, as is reflected in the statement. And we fully accept the new responsibility. Will continue to play a role and build the organization. We've been redeployed to the National Assembly and will continue to play the role of advancing the agenda and program of Umkhonto we Sizwe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
So Floyd is officially ex-spokesperson of the ANC Youth League, ex-deputy president of the EFF, and now ex-secretary general of the MK party. I think, and this is just my view, Floyd and Mzwane Lemanyi, the comrade he left the EFF and joined the MKP together with, must now try the DA? DA, yeah?
Kuhleka thina manje kudala sithukwa masikhuluma iqiniso sithukwe masithi hey lento ekhuluma MK ayikho into ekuthiwa iMK, it's just istokfela nje MK. Basithuka abantu basithuke bukani ke manje ziyakhala manje uFloyd ijazi ligcwele umoya usexoshiwe as uSecretary General akekho lapha nala deployment abathi bambuyisela back to parliament ukwenza nje ngeke aqede even 2 months lapha kuzabe sekukhona enye candidate ngokubona aphi party within kunyanga nje owodwa sekuna 5 yama secretary generals 5 in 1 year sekuna 5 secretary generals ngasho ngathi stokfela lento ayikho nje into enziwa iMK 2029 ofika sengasekho kwantu even 2026 local elections ngeke ba participate labantu ngoba ngekho kwantu ko participate abantu sasishilo lento ukuthi hoyi kwakuyi project nje le ka 2023 May elections nge29 yaphelela lapho after ama elections after bakhuluma ngemiqomo yamavoti alahlekile abawatholile akuphi awunamandla akaveli lutho kudala salinda bathi bane case angangendlovu icase engangendlovu ikuphi hey sasishilo qhubukani nithuke futhi kodwa nizolibona iqiniso ayikho lanto ayikho nomgogwana lanto ayikho lanto.
But uFloyd ngathi le ngokumshona ilanga lapha ku-MKP ungathi the sun is gradually setting, like literally setting for him, because normally, you know, politically we know, and these are smaller things that you wouldn't take into consideration if, you know, you're not politically, you know, and you don't understand some of the political administration and how they work, you know, from communications to and so forth and what have you. Manga noticed recently, when Floyd is going for interviews, it has been quite rare that they would put a poster to say that Floyd will be on Newsroom Africa and you know, you just see him like there speaking about I will never join, I will never leave Umkhonto we Sizwe party. I joined Umkhonto we Sizwe party so that I can advocate and I could campaign for its ideals and tonton. ngithule ngibhekile ngita marumchita serious bayamkhawatha bamkhawatha nalo mama sempumalanga lo shema uyenze kwacaca very clear bathi banu Mary party she made it very clear ngibone nenye but ni women's what yakhona le. Now they came very hard on him saying no we're not part of the people that are saying hands off Floyd campaign. So one can just simply read between the lines ukuthi ebudinyi kunga ungeshuswa wana swambi kahle but mina phela loko ni wena ntatsika mina nifamba na giyani na xava tihomu xava na swin'wanyana leswi nga nendlela malinyana ngoba shema Floyd yena I don't want to lie, you know, CSC once said that, you know, everyone who leaves the EFF, especially lezi zamba zipita, they're dwindling to nothingness. I mean, Floyd has proven beyond doubt and beyond ukuthi he's a stomach politician, our Floyd. But today they want to now reverse and hit us with that reverse psychology. It's not going to happen. I put in your sona swambi kahle but otsika politiko famba opfula podcast kumbe ofamba opfula wendla plan we do something. Ngibona ngathi yaya ngokwehlela. Use those degrees by the way to start looking for a job, my man, because it's not looking good politically.
I wanna say to this MK party President Jacob Zuma address, you know, Floyd had a religious right to visit Malawi to meet the guy. So, and it's a lie for MK to say the stakeholders, the stakeholder is the daughter. It's the daughter, and we all know that the daughter does not like the guy because of his brain. So the daughter used to do things based on like a Stokfeller mechanism. So the daughter finally won and Floyd is gone from that position. These infights that are happening there in MK, there's no order there. Young people left their jobs and joined parliament, and it has been alleged that they didn't get paid and they were kicked like dogs there. So I'm saying to young people who are voting these parties such as MK, guys, hey, you must find something else to play, because now we are dealing with this situation where you can be just removed because the daughter doesn't like you. Umdana kababa akakuthandi Floyd.
After the recent sacking of Mzwanele Manyi, it was only a matter of time until Floyd Shivambu was next on the chopping block. And on the 3rd of June, that is when the leadership announced that he has been removed as Secretary General of the MKP. Was this related to the clash? The leadership further emphasized they will not take any questions relating to his sacking.